Hey everyone, this is Rick here at the welding shop, and we're going to reveal the pullout of the big boy. I know most of you have been anxiously awaiting this day. I know I have. It's been a long time. It's taken way longer than I thought, just because I have a job and I have to make a living. But anyways, here you go, the big boy. She sounds great. She runs good. Doesn't leak anything. Sounds like a big bad diesel in there, which it is. So we went from a 6V53 Detroit to a DT466 International Diesel. So we went from a V6 to an inline 6. Still has the same transmission, same running gear. A lot of things have changed underneath the hood, of course, going from a V to an inline. But there you go. A couple little minor things yet I have to do. But there you have it. The resurrection of the big boy.